The rules. Judges must be mindful of the effect settlement discussions can have. Not only on their objectivity, uh, impartiality, but also on the appearance of their objectivity and impartiality. Despite a judge's best efforts, there may be instances where information obtained during settlement discussions could influence a judge's decision making during the trial, and in such instances, the judge should consider whether disqualification or recusal may be appropriate. Now, I got those court rules probably from the state of Washington, but I would think they're the same court rules in pretty much every state. Now, there's the ex parte communications. Opportunity to be heard, save screenshot. The judge shall initiate, permit, or consider an ex parte communication or consider other communications made to the judge outside of the presence of the parties or their lawyers concerning a pending or impending matter before that judge's court, except as follows. 1A, the judge reasonably believes that no party will gain a procedural, substantive, or tactical advantage, as a result of the ex parte communication. Now, I just wondered, what was the advantage to the petitioner to issue it? See, one of the parties, right, has to gain a procedural, substantive, or tactical advantage, as a result of the ex parte communication, And then the judge makes provisions promptly to notify all other parties of the substance, of the ex parte communication and gives the parties an opportunity to respond. I really have a question about that. That's right, Phyllis. That's what I said. Oh. I wasn't convinced that my wife had gained a tactical advantage because the idea was you only issue protection orders with the intention of protecting the party and the minors named. Now, was there somebody else that gained a tactical advantage? Yes. As a result of the ex parte issuance of protection orders? Because it looks like the number of times that I've been arrested, Phyllis, I really questioned if my wife wanted it issued. Now, Judge Brent Baston had to reasonably believe, that one of the parties would gain a procedural, substantive, or tactical advantage, as a result of the ex parte communication where the petitioner didn't sign it and I wasn't given any due process. See, what advantage is there of having court hearings, where this individual didn't sign it, these 5 minors named didn't have their rights enforced, and I wasn't given any notice of exactly who got the advantage when you issued the protection order? What individuals received anything of value for the issuance of the protection order? It'd be difficult to say that Heidi Budnick received anything of advantage, as a result of the reissuance of the protection order on June 1st. It'd be difficult to say that the minor's name received anything of advantage, I mean, the individuals, that really did receive something, Well, there was those in Jefferson County, they received something. Sheriff's Department got paid, The judge got paid, poop. Prosecuting attorney got paid, Professional person from the state of Washington, There was another mental health evaluation of another professional person. They received some advantage, And then there were all those court hearings that didn't seem very fair or impartial because you wouldn't admit any evidence. What about in Clallam County? Judge Porter received some advantage, He got paid for all those court hearings, The public defender's office got paid, A professional person from the state of Washington got paid. It looks like the issuance of this protection order had no advantage to myself, my wife or my kids right now, because everyone else received the advantage of the issuance of it. There was the arresting officer on January 4th of 2016. He received some payment for arresting me. Yes. There was the arresting officer on the 24th of September. He received some money. Yes. There was Judge Porter. Yes. Issuing the failure to appear, and he got to get paid for numerous other. Well, then there was the dismissal for incompetence. You got paid for doing that. Yes. There was this person got paid. Yes. This person got paid. Right. And then that person got paid. Then there were the jailers. When I was in jail, they all got paid. Seemed like everyone except for the individual that you should reasonably believe would have gained some procedural, substantive, or tactical advantage for the issuance of the ex parte order. I mean, if I looked at all the individuals, well, see, a lot of people are going to get paid. What about lawsuits? You know, as much as you said, well, an email sent by Mr. Budnick on Friday, June 16th of 2017. Yeah. I'm reading an email that was sent on Friday, June 16th of 2017. Yeah. To approximately 300 or 400 email recipients, 300 of them. Yeah. Now, it didn't include anybody at Heidi Budnick's workplace. No. And it didn't really demand that someone remove the protection order. Oh, now, there was attachments associated with that email. Yeah. As with all the emails that I sent that day. Yeah. And then there was more than just a screenshot of the protection order. Yes. There's about 10 different screenshots. Did you get the court? Well, let's see who's getting the advantage for you doing this. There's my attorneys that are going to get paid. Yes. There's your attorneys that are going to get paid. Yes. There are my attorneys that are going to sue you for criminal. Yeah. Then there are your attorneys that are going to get paid for defending you. Yes. And then there's the victim's resources that I'm going to get. Yes. Victim's compensation. Right. A restitution. Yes. And then there are the damages. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.